Hello you guys, and welcome to my channel and happy new year. This is my first video that I'm going to be uploading on my YouTube channel in 2023. Literally went so fast, I can't believe it. I know we probably say that every single year. What better way to start the new year than a full-on house cleaning vlog. I've got my AirPod Maxes. I'm just gonna listen to a podcast and I'm cleaning the whole house. So I'm gonna take you through each room and we're deep cleaning. I got really lazy over the holidays. As you know, I did some of Vlogmas, and then I would say I got to day 16 and the holidays just got a little crazy and I couldn't finish. But it's a new year and I have a lot of fun things planned out that I can't wait to vlog and film. So let's get this house cleaned and organized. I took in all the Christmas stuff and it feels bland. Like it feels vanilla and boring as ish. I've got some fun decor items from Christmas. So I'm gonna kind of move stuff around and make it look a little bit better. I got a new little console table that I'll show you in the dining room. But let's go ahead and get into today's cleaning video. Go ahead and hit subscribe down below. I would love to have you guys join all the fun, but like I said, let's get into the video. So we're gonna start off with today's deep cleaning in the bedroom. I try to clean the sheets and do like a full strip down every other week or so, and this week was definitely needed. I have a new puppy, so I also like to throw out her potty pad every day and put a whole new one in so that the room just doesn't smell like pee. It's not great. So you can see she's such a little cutie patootie. Also, I really just cannot stand having clutter on our nightstand. Cody does not mind it, but it really drives me crazy. When washing whites, I like to throw in this OxiClean White Revive powder. I don't know if it really helps that much. Like, I feel like it does, but I don't really know. Also, this Method detergent is pretty great. I get mine from Target and it lasts me so long. Does anyone else feel like they're just constantly picking things up around the house? Like, I swear things just pop out of nowhere. Or I just have a husband that just likes to leave his things wherever they land. Either way, I like to have a clean slate before I actually start vacuuming and wiping things down. I also constantly have mounds of laundry that need to be folded, like all of the time. So you can watch me do that in full speed, but it took way longer. So one of my goals lately has been to fold my clothes right when I take them out of the dryer, just so it doesn't pile up and I'm not regretting it later. Laundry has seriously always been a weakness of mine, like not in a good way, so I'm really trying to be productive with it this year. It's helped kind of by buying some new detergents and some fabric beads and that OxiClean White Revive, which is such a toxic trait if you think about it, because I'm actively encouraged by buying new things, but honestly, whatever works, I guess. Sleeping with dogs, even though they're small, can bring in a lot of random dirt and just grass from outside, especially in the winter when the grass is dead. So I try to vacuum the mattress every time I change my sheets. I know it sounds so ridiculous. My Dyson vacuum is seriously a lifesaver with the certain head attachment that it comes with. And it makes it so easy to vacuum the countertops, the mattress, our nightstands, a lot of other things other than just the floor. Someone on TikTok actually made fun of me for vacuuming my countertops, but don't knock it until you try it, because I'm seriously never going back. So our sheets are from Costco actually, and they are the best ones that I've ever tried, especially for how much they cost. I believe they're around $50. The quality really is amazing, so soft, and they haven't pilled at all. This quilted blanket is from West Elm. I've had it for a while and I'm kind of over it. I'm kind of ready to swap it out for something new, something not so beige, because there's just a lot of beige going on in our room. Lastly, this is a duvet cover from Target. It's like 30 bucks, and I double stuffed it with 2 duvet inserts, so it gives that real fluffy hotel bed vibe. You can see the beige is just slightly overloaded in this room. I really like these pillows. They're from Home Goods and they have the down inserts, but I wish that I got them in a different color. I eventually would like to swap them out from some pillows from Target or something like that, maybe some more of a solid, not so beige, and then put these ones in the living room. I also have this giant knitted throw blanket. It's from that Casa Luna line from Target. It's like my obsession of the whole bedroom. After doing laundry, doing the dishes is probably my second least favorite activity. Cody is usually the angel and does it for me, but for the sake of making a full house cleaning video, I took it upon myself to do the dishes, and I gotta say, I still don't like it. I also saw on TikTok that someone uses a small handle brush in the Dawn spray soap to clean their sink, so I had to get a small handle brush and the Dawn spray soap to clean my sink. I also really like using the Method all-purpose spray. It's kind of new and I'm kind of into it. I do wish I got the pink one because the green just isn't really a vibe, but I'll probably get the pink one once this one runs out. All right, y'all, here is your reminder to clean your microwave. I seriously forget to do this so much, and it was definitely time today. I think we had heated up some soup or chili or something last week, and it had exploded in the microwave, so it was not a pretty sight. So don't forget to clean your microwave. Y'all probably have better ways of doing it. I just spray it down and wipe it up. So like I mentioned earlier in the video, this is how I use the Dyson vacuum for our table and countertops. I don't really know which nozzle this is, but I call it the mini vacuum because that's what it looks like. So here is our brand new console table that I got from Christmas. It's literally from Amazon, less than $200. It doesn't really match the vibe that I'm going for with our dining room tables that I cannot stand, but I swear they're gonna go this year. I've got some ideas on what I'm gonna replace them with. I've been dying to get these woven boxes. I've seen them on Amazon, and another really popular home decor website has them. I just can't think of the name right now. They were the top of my Christmas list this year, and I was so excited I was able to get them. I'm styling them on my fireplace for now. Ideally, I want to get a mantle for our fireplace this year. I have this vision of them on the mantle. So for now, they're just gonna go on the base. Our couch is from Ashley's Furniture. We got it almost a year ago, actually. I really love the look and the style of it, and overall it's pretty comfortable. My only major complaints is that I have to fluff the cushions almost every day or they just start to look frumpy and not clean. The fabric also does pill a little bit, so I bought a fabric shaver so that I can shave off the fabric, but it's very small, so it takes forever to actually shave all of the cushions. So the next time we're looking to buy another couch, I'm definitely going to do more research on the fabric.